Have you ever said something like, I have seen him yesterday, and someone corrected you? This is the most common grammar mistake in English. Today, I'm going to tell you the difference between simple past and present perfect tense. Although it seems to be a little difference, but it can completely change your sentence. So let's dive right in. So, what is the structure of present perfect tense? Subject plus has have and third form of verb. Actions that happened in the past but still matters now. I have visited London. So, what is the structure of simple past tense? Subject plus second form of verb. Actions that happened at a specific time in the past. Like, for example, I have visited London in 2020. So, what is the difference? In simple past tense, actions happened in the past and not connected to present. Okay, but in past perfect tense, there is connection to the present. So, let's look into the uses of present perfect tense. Unspecified time in the past, like no exact time is given. I have met her before. He has finished his homework. There is no exact time given. Use number two is actions that continue up to now, and we use since or for this. Like, for example, I have lived here for 10 years. She has worked here since 2015. Present perfect tense is also used to share life experiences. Like, for example, I have visited Paris twice. She has never eaten sushi. And use number four is recently completed actions. And we use yet, already, just for this. Like, for example, he has just left. I have already done my work. Have you eaten yet? So, present perfect tense is used to describe recent action. Now, look towards the uses of simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to describe actions that completed at a specific time in the past. Like, for example, I watched a movie yesterday. She called me last night. Past tense is also used to describe actions in the past with time expressions. Like, for example, they went to Dubai in 2022. I met him 2 days ago. Simple past tense is also used to describe past habits or regular actions you did in the past. He played football when he was young. Simple past tense is also used to describe series of actions. Like, for example, he came home, made tea, and slept. So, what is the difference? In simple past tense, time is mostly mentioned, and in past perfect tense, mostly there's no exact time. So, I have prepared a table for you. What are the differences between simple past and present perfect for better understanding? Let's look into the table. So, in present perfect, no specific time. In simple past, most of the time, specific time is mentioned. In present perfect, focus on result. But in simple past, focus on time. Like, for example, in present perfect, I have lost my keys. I don't have them now. Okay. But in simple past, I lost my keys yesterday. The focus is on time. She has just left. Okay. This is present perfect. And she left 5 minutes ago. Like, she has left. No link with the present. I have been to Italy. It's a time, it's experience. It's a lifetime experience somebody is sharing. But with simple past, we can use I went to Italy in 2018. The stress is on time. So there are some signal words you can use for present perfect and past simple. Like, for example, in present perfect, you will use ever, never, already, yet, just, since, for. In simple past, you use yesterday, last week, ago, in 2020, when I was a child. So let's try to find out the mistakes together. Let's look into it. I had seen him yesterday. No, I saw him yesterday. She has finished her work 2 hours ago. No, she finished her work 2 hours ago. I went to London last year. I have been to London. No, there are some smart examples. Just look into it. I have broken my glasses, so I can't see now. So the result affects the present and it's present perfect tense. I broke my glasses yesterday. If the stress is on time and it's past simple. I have read that book. It means at some time before present. You have read that book. You have experience and it's present perfect. I read that book last week. It's not about more about experience, it's more about time that you have read this book in the past. Let's do the quick quiz and tell me how much you scored. I visit Paris last year. She just finished her homework. They live here since 2010. I mm, him yesterday. Have you ever mm, eat sushi? These are the answers. Look into it. How much you score? Tell me in the comments. So the conclusion is that in simple past, time is mostly mentioned, but in present perfect, it's more about life experiences. Time is not mentioned. Now it's time for you to write some sentences in present perfect and simple past in the comments and share with me. If you want me to make a video on some particular topic, let me know. See you in the next video.